let it all know. Mr. DA never said it all. No, I don't know what you heard, and I don't know what you know. What my folks have told me. So, up jumps the boogie, let the record work. They put me on like you Red Alert. Cause it's the big bad Timmy, Mac new image. Like we know, coming straight out of Virginia.
DJs in the mix shows, you better go to the record store and top that shit. Into the room, niggas living in bootleg and bringing up over your legs. Top that shit. Yo, Beyonce, Free, MC Light, y'all ready? Let's put it down for the clubs. Got so much ice I even scared Jingle. Beyonce, listen, I am free. Missy, put it down on the beat. Why do people listen to this decision? We can show you how to fight temptation. I'm just fighting temptation. Can't get control. It's very tempting. That's to take me home. I know you want my love. I think the time is right. Oh, you know it. He got his crew, but I got mine too. Send a note to my table like, what you gonna do? I ain't got spreading me out. In my ear drop, here's how we let this bounce. He old, the nice cars and impressive house. He wanna run up in, I ain't no regular round. Me and the girls, we ain't stressing out. We ain't birds, we ain't hear the sound. One night is that's dead as out. Little talk on the creek, what you said is out. I get cheddar to help me do whatever. No beef with Dennis Edwards, but I fight temptation. I'm not saying I don't like temptation. I'm just looking for the right temptation.